We are the Lockmore family, so much love it's clear to see. We are the Lockmore family, so come with us, what will we see? The Lockmore family.
All right, Dad. While Parker and I were at Festival of the Arts yesterday, just for fun, we bought Wishables! We're trying to find the teacup, but Parker and I picked out two random ones.
All right.
Bring them to Dad. Yeah, the teacup. That's what we want. So this collection actually has 4 mysteries, 2 variants, and 1 open-ended. So in here you have Alice, the teacup, the Cheshire Cat, and the Mad Hatter. The teacup comes in 2 other colors as well, and then the little dormouse inside of the teapot. So hopefully we could get them all in one go without any issues. He's the best. All right. Wait, feel it. What do you think it is?
Oh, that's definitely the Mad Hatter.
I think one is the Mad Hatter and one is the teacup.
Yeah, I can feel the feet. Yep.
Yeah!
Mad Hatter.
Let's see him. Cute. He's cute. Might be Alice, actually. I don't know. I can't get a feel for it. I don't know. I was right. It's Alice.
Oh.
I need the teacup.
Thank you.
And this is the open end. Twinkle, twinkle, little bat.
Now we have to find the teapot.
This is the teapot.
Yeah, the teapots.
You need the teacup. Happy New Year, everyone. So 2020 started out with 2 Wishable releases. One was the Transportation Wishables, and the other one was the Alice's Mad Tea Party Wishables. Now, we got the Transportation ones. That was the collection that we absolutely wanted. We posted a video about that. We got them all without doubles. It was so cool. We loved it. And we promised ourselves that we would not get the Alice Wishables. But as you can see, I am in my car because I am going to surprise the boys with the Alice Wishables. Now, you might be thinking, oh, these people have an issue. They buy too many Wishables. You are correct. However, since that happened, Parker now has obsession with nosediving into his ball pit, which is where we keep the Wishables. Aww. So instead of buying more ball pit balls, I decided, why not just buy more Wishables? So I went out and I got a few. Hopefully we could get the collection without any doubles. I'm going to surprise the boys with them today. So we will see. And then we can throw those into his ball pit, create some extra padding so he can do whatever he wants. So let's see what we got. Boys, I picked up something at work today.
What is it?
It is Wishables! Whoa! Are those all for you? What do we have here? Look! Yeah! Yes! And I think I got the ones we need, but I'm not sure. We'll see. All right, feel it, because I'm interested to see what you think.
It has feet.
Uh-huh.
Cheshire Cat.
Doesn't it feel fuzzy?
Yeah.
I don't know why, but it feels fuzzy. Cheshire Cat. Cheshire Cat. Cheshire Cat! Cute! Okay, so this one feels really flat. That's why, like, look how flat it is. So I got it. So hopefully, you ready? Hopefully it's a cup. It is a cup.
Yay!
Yay, cute. Is it the one advertised? Yes. Boop. You have to drink? All right, we're trying one time for the monorail variant. Hopefully it's not the advertised. I think it is though for some reason. It is. Oh, yes, yes, yes. The Walt Disney World monorail. What's his face look like? Cute. That is not how you say it. Can't believe we managed to get the full set again with no doubles. And in addition to that, boop, we got a variant. Good day for Wishables. Am I right? And here they go. Woo! Added to the bin. That doesn't go in there. Woo! Woo! Does it feel more cushiony? Woo! Ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Blah! Where's Parker? There he is! There he is, you crazy monkey. It's a good hiding space. Oh, hello. Yes. What are you doing over there? Yeah. Bum ba dum bum bum.
The Lockmore family.